So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the numbers -3 times 2. Then I'm going to multiply the square root of 10 times the square root of 2. What's -3 times 2? -6. What's 10 times 2? 20. So this becomes the square root of 20. Well, that's not that hard, is it? No, but I gotta make sure, just like with a fraction, don't you always simplify fractions? Well, we always have to simplify radicals. So now again, I gotta go, well, 2 squared equals 4. 3 squared equals 9. 4 squared equals 16. 5 squared equals 25. All right, 4 goes into 20. In other words, this can be broken down into the square root of 4 times the square root of 5. And then we have the -6 in the front. What's the square root of 4? 2. So now I have the -6 times 2 times the square root of 5. What's -6 times 2? -12 times the square root of 5. So here's an interesting thing. I want to verify my work. So I'm going to plug in my calculator. I'm going to say in parentheses, -3, the square root of 10, times the quantity, 2, times the square root of 2. Right? So, I'm sorry, I didn't have it on the screen. You see that? Now I'm going to hit enter. And I get -26, blah, 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 blah. Well, I did all the math, and I said that that should be the same as -12 times the square root of 5. It is, isn't it? Okay. Does anybody have any questions?